In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Ninjatrader. Logging out is a simple but important habit, especially if you're on a shared or public computer, and this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click so you can end your session with confidence. First, make sure you're on the Ninjatrader webpage and that you're currently signed in. This process is specifically for the web version, so you should be in your browser on the official Ninjatrader site rather than a desktop application. You'll typically know you're signed in if you can access your account features or trading tools, and you don't see a prominent sign-in button inviting you to log in. If you're already working in your account, you're in the right place. Now, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. When you're logged in, this is where Ninjatrader displays your profile area. Depending on your setup, you might see your username, your initials inside a small circle, a generic person icon, or a compact profile avatar. On some screen sizes, this area can look slightly condensed, and there may be a small arrow or caret indicating a menu. The key is that this is your account area. If you see anything resembling your user identity in the upper right, you're looking at the right spot. Go ahead and click that profile icon, username, or the small avatar or adjacent menu. A drop-down should appear as soon as you do. This menu typically includes items like Account, Settings, Help, and similar options that relate to your profile. If it doesn't open immediately, give the page a moment to respond. Menus like this are designed to appear on click and provide quick access to account controls. In that drop-down, look for the option labeled Log Out or Sign Out. The wording can vary slightly, but it means the same thing. You're ending the current session. Click Log Out or Sign Out, and Ninjatrader will close your session and redirect you accordingly. You'll usually be taken back to a sign-in page or see that your profile icon has been replaced by a login prompt. That's your confirmation that the logout was successful. A quick tip: if you had multiple Ninjatrader tabs open, the others may show a message asking you to sign in again the next time you interact with them. That's expected after a logout. For security, it's always good practice to verify you're back at the sign-in screen before leaving the computer. And that's all there is to it. You're now safely logged out of Ninjatrader.